Hi everyone, Hudson Hornick here with Alchemy On Demand. I just wanted to take a quick second and show you how to upload a post to your WordPress blog if you have one. So what you're first going to need to do is to go ahead and go to your site's name. In order to enter the back end of your site, you'll need to enter your site's name followed by a / wp-admin. That should take you to the login info. If your site is set to remember you, you'll just jump right in there like I am. If it's not set to remember you, you have to enter your username and password, but then you'll come to this page. This page is your dashboard. It'll give you a quick breakdown of your entire site, but what we're going to focus on is adding a new post. So I'll just head over to here. I'm focusing on posts, not pages. So just go ahead and click posts, and you'll get a breakdown of all your posts that you have. If you want to add a new one, you just go over here, click add new, and there you go. You'll be in the back end of the site in order to add a new post to your blog. I'm going to do a quick walk through this. I'll be touching on a lot of cursory things, or I'll touch on things in a cursory manner. I won't really go into too much depth because I want to keep this video brief. But here we can enter a post title. Then you can go and enter content. And here you'll see a kitchen sink, right? This allows you to sort of do the formatting that you need to do while you're editing in WordPress. Say you wanted to add some bold text, you'll do that here. Say you wanted to change this font color, and you can do that here as well. Just make it red. Say you wanted to underline it or strike through it, you could do that here. So that's essentially the long and the short of adding a post. Once you have this, I'd like to direct your attention to the publish module, which is this area over here. WordPress is very powerful with this thing. They let you do a lot of cool features. They have a lot of cool features that they let you play with. So you'll see this save draft, preview, publish, move to trash. Those are your 4 general options. Let's say I wrote this post and my site is live, and I only want the people who I am collaborating with to be able to see it. So I might make the visibility private or password protected. I'll go over here and select private and hit OK. So now if I publish this post, if I hit update and publish it, only those people who are logged into the back end of my site like I am and have the administrative power to edit my post will be able to see it. Only then they will be able to see it on the front end of the site too. Speaking of that, the front of the site is basically how the user interacts with your site, how it looks to everybody else aside from you, not in this back end area. So if I wanted to go ahead and set that, and to say I was just working on this and I wasn't done with it, I just wanted to save it as a draft, I could go ahead and set this back to public, and I could hit save draft here. Now I already set it to private. WordPress is going to think that it's published privately, so they don't have that option anymore. But that's fine. We'll just save it as private for now. Keep in mind, if it's set to private, only the back-end users can see it. And then you can go ahead and set it to publish at a different date if you want to too. This is a great feature because, like, say you're writing on the weekend, but you know most people read your blog on Mondays. You can set it to publish whenever you like. You have your date, your time here, and that's where all that is, right? This is a plugin feature from Jetpack that I use that helps me publish on various social media platforms. I'm going to go ahead and take these off because this is a practice post for learning purposes. So go ahead and I have published immediately, make sure my visibility is set to private. It's privately published, so I know I won't publish to my social media platforms, and only the back end, only the people that I know who have access to the site already are going to be able to see this. So I'll go ahead and update. And let's see, so now that it's updated, I can go ahead and view my post. So I can go here and click view post and see how it looks in the front end of my site. So here we are. The site's loading. So you see this private. This is letting you know that only those logged in can see it. This won't be visible. Only the title will be visible to those once you set this to public, to regular publishing. Here we can see my content. And that's about it. That is how you publish a post. If you wanted to add media, that's fine, that's another option, but I think we're going to save that for another tutorial. So if you have any other questions, please feel free to let me know, and thanks for watching.